y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited to bring a review slash tutorial on the new Lip Bar Fast Face makeup system. Okay, so y'all, I am not a makeup artist, okay? Say it together. I am not. Jess is not a makeup artist, and so I've never been, a makeup girl. I always really liked watching people put their makeup on, and I love the art of it, but for me, it's just not like a skill set. It's not a forte, and this is one reason why the Lip Bar's Fast Face makeup system intrigued me, because it was inviting, and it was not intimidating, and it was simple, and so I was super excited when I saw they came out with this, that I ordered it, and I wanted to try it. I did not color match my foundation, my skin serum product. I just kind of guessed, and yeah, we'll see if it's the right match. So first of all, super cute packaging. It comes in a poly mailer like this, a blush color, which I think is so chic and girly, and look how cute this graphic is. And as you can see, the contents are inside. Love their tissue paper. So you get a bag, which I was really hoping it came with something to put everything in. So you get a bag that says, they say everything fits in it. So we will see as we unbox what's in here, okay? There's also a little leaflet that shows you exactly step-by-step what to do. And these are everything that's included. So it pretty much, you start off by kind of matching your complexion, and there's so many different complexions, and it's super cute. They're like time stamps. And so I believe I picked 301, I think. And so you match your complexion, and then they have the sister products that go well, that pair well with that complexion. And so you're gonna get your skin serum, which is, I guess, the foundation product. You're gonna get a lip product, so you get to choose between like 2 or 3 options. You're gonna get the face palette, which has the face powder, the blush, the highlighter, and the contour. You're gonna get their eyebrow product, their mascara, and their eyeliner. So I thought this was like a perfect all-in-one set. And like I said, to me, someone who's not like really confident or does makeup on an everyday, weekly, monthly basis, I was excited because I want to, it does like add to your confidence, and it does kind of boost pictures and stuff. Like, I have no makeup on right now. Luckily, there's some good lighting going on, and I have been really focused on taking care of my skin, so I don't think I look that ghostly, but I definitely feel like I have constant dark circles, but I really don't care. So anyways, so everything is wrapped in their tissue paper, which I think is super cute with their name. So all the products are all here wrapped together, so I'm quickly just gonna go through them each and put them on as we go through. So step 1 is the skin serum. This has hyaluronic acid and Irish moss extract. There's 26 shades, which it says right here. And what intrigued me about this was that it had a brush attached. And so it's a nice little tube, and I am in number 301. That was the complexion I picked up. Like I said, I did not test this out before. So I'm really hoping and crossing my fingers, adjust my leg. So I'm really hoping and crossing my fingers that it matches me. Super soft brush that comes right on it, and you can clean this brush. You literally can just unscrew the top. As you can see, the whole thing comes out. Detach the brush from the product and just clean it with your favorite like face wash and warm water and whatnot. So super easy, super simple. So you just, there's like a little pump, you just pump it up. So let's see what it says before we just jump in. Let's see, press, apply, and blend. Pump once for entire face, blend in circular motions, and voila. All right, so we're gonna do a pump. Let's see. I guess because it's brand new, it probably takes a little, oh, you can see something's coming. There it is. Okay, 1 pump. And then, oh, can't even see it. Looks like it runs pretty well, matches pretty well. All right, y'all, like I said, I'm not a makeup artist and or guru. I'm literally just following the directions. So they said circular motion. Bring it down and under the eye. So I'm pretty sure you can still add a concealer on top of this for added coverage. But look, I think it matches perfectly, and that's super awesome. But I do know they sell samples. I think they're free, and you just pay for shipping. So it would be in your best interest to get a sample if you're really not sure. But I think I struck gold. I mean, y'all tell me, does this match? I hope it does. Okay, so that was simple. And this is not necessarily well, it says it's a skin serum foundation, so it's really light. One reason why I don't really wear makeup or not really into it. One, I want someone to teach me how to beat my face, y'all. I want someone to teach me how to beat my face, first of all. So if you're in Orlando, you're watching this, and you know how to beat your face, let's have some wine and makeup time. But typically with my skin, I feel like I can always see my pores under whatever foundation that has been used on me. And so I don't like that look. And so I don't know if I just have big pores or if I need to add like a primer product or something else. All right. But I mean, that looks pretty decent. It looks dewy, which I like. So foundation is applied. Y'all, I'm super excited. Like, that was really easy and simple. So next we're gonna do the brow. So this is a quick draw 2-in-1 brow gel and pencil. So for me, I have really long curly eyebrows, and so I always just brush them before I do anything to them. And this is just like a little elf brush. And I just brush them out because they can look crazy. So I forgot to mention, all of their products are vegan and cruelty-free. It's a Black-owned company, and it's a young company, and I love supporting people who look like me, people who are out here making big waves in this world of an ocean. It's just amazing to see, you know, the different things that we can do as women, as people, no matter who you are, what you look like. Let's get it. So here is their eyebrow product. It's called the Quick Draw. And it is a 2-in-1, so it has the brow gel on one side. And this color looks a little light. I probably should have gotten the darker one, but that's okay. And then the other side is the actual pen. Ooh, I love this. This is the actual pencil side, y'all. Oops. Y'all, look at this angle. Like, it's not just like a straight, it's a triangle. Can you see? Hold on. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's an angled tip. So there we go, that's good. So it's a triangular shape. Oh my gosh, I really like this. I love the shape of this. And so I'm just going to draw in the brows. All right, so the brows are lined. Y'all, I really love this product. It's so smooth. It goes on so smooth. Next, we're gonna use the brow gel side. And I really like the idea of a brow gel because, like I said earlier, I have some long curly eyebrows, and this is awesome to help it stay in place. All right. Brows done. Yay! This is so easy, y'all. Melissa Butler, thank you, girl. This was genius. All right, next is our Minute Finish 4-in-1 face palette. All right, so this is the face palette that it comes in, and I'm also excited about this product because it's simple. It's simple and it's all in one. A vegan, cruelty-free highlighter, blush, contour, and face powder. And on the back, it has the name of all of them. The blush is called Grinding, the contour is called Making Bets, the highlighter is Now Hiring, and the face is Cashing Checks. I like it. So another freebie that it comes with, well, I don't know if it's a freebie, but I didn't realize that it was gonna be in there, is the double-sided brush. Now, I'm so happy it came with the double-sided brush and the little makeup bag that I will show you later that I will fit everything in. But yeah, this is clutch. Thank you for including a brush. And so one side is just like that little regular tapered side, and the other side is the angle side, I'm assuming for your contour. Y'all, let's say it again. Jess is not a makeup artist, so just going with the flow. All right, so we're gonna do the face powder. This one. Ooh, a lot comes off. It's not loose, but I guess you could say it's pigmented. And then I'm just gonna put this all over and set that. It's skin serum. And this looks like the color is pretty accurate too. All right, y'all, now it says to do the contour. So we're gonna use the angle side, go to the contour. Y'all, this is not my forte. This is what I want someone to teach me how to do, because the times that I've done it before, it looks, I don't know, just odd. So I'm gonna do less is more, just because I am not a pro. So we're just gonna go, yeah, the hollows of the cheeks. There's so many different tips. I heard like where your like hairline ends, like where sideburns would be, or they're doing this and kind of going in the hollow. Pretty much where a natural shadow would appear on your face, I believe, is where you want your contour to go. So we're gonna just do that. Yeah, I got a big forehead, so I know that you can also contour like your temples and stuff to like minimize your forehead. I'm not gonna do too much because I really don't know what I'm doing. All right, that'll do. Okay, blush. So I'm just gonna flip it back to the face side and clean it. Should have brought like a paper towel or washcloth or something, but we'll be fine. All right, blush. So this goes right above the contour, right, y'all? Or apples of the cheeks. Look good? I don't know. Yeah, maybe. And this is also very pigmented, so that's nice. Like a little bit goes a long way. Like you'll buy this one time and it'll probably last you a year, I'm sure, depending on how often you wear makeup and stuff. But I know for me, it might last me, I think that's fine, yeah. Well into a year or so. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the other brush and like blend the two together. All right, and now highlight. Hope y'all enjoy this. All right, so I'm not sure which side I'm supposed to use for the highlight. I'm gonna use the angle side because from my small knowledge of makeup, it goes like right where the sun will naturally hit you, above the blush. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, y'all. Let me know if I'm doing this right. And that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, next is the eyeliner. This is their straight liner matte eyeliner, and it is made with jojoba oil and aloe vera. Love that these products have good ingredients in them, natural ingredients, vegan ingredients. So, eyeliner, and it's just like a pencil eyeliner. It's not like an automatic one. Yes, you can sharpen it with a regular sharpener, and from what I heard, it's super creamy. And oh wow, that was like the lightest stroke ever, and it stroked right on. Wow, this you barely have to touch your skin, and it's so creamy and soft. Wow, this is another great product. All right, my eyes are extremely sensitive, so I always tear up when I put eyeliner on. I'm not crying, I promise. This one has eyeliner on the top, this one doesn't. You can already see the difference. This is a good product. If y'all don't get anything, if you can't afford the whole system, it's not even that expensive. I think I bought it, when I bought it, it was like $89, and I got like a 10% coupon, so sign up for their like mobile coupons. But you can also buy the products individually. Get the eyeliner, get the brow product, get the skin serum, get the whole set. Just get the whole set, it's worth it. Okay, eyeliner is on. This is so easy, I love it. Last is your mascara. Where is the mascara? Mascara, boom, bada boom, boom. All right, lash flash strengthening mascara. It comes in a sealed box. And this is made with green tea extract, y'all. This is so cute, I love this stuff. Alrighty, also vegan and cruelty free. Pretty basic. I don't know if they come in two different colors. This one is in, I don't think it says. So they might just have one lash product color. So, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Nice long wand. So I'm just gonna apply this. I've heard you're supposed to start with like your lower lash line, which I completely just started with my upper lash line. Oh well. This is just for demonstrative purposes. Goes on smooth, not clumpy. Y'all, I am loving this. This is so simple, so not intimidating. All right, last product is the lip. I had a choice between two colors and I picked the red color. Now this is a vegan liquid matte. I also have their clear gloss and a brown color. And a goldish lipstick. I've just been trying to find out what colors work for me. Y'all, like I said, I'm not a makeup girl. I don't know, and I haven't been like crazy about the other. I love the clear one. It's because it's just clear. But I think my next venture is gonna be a pink. I think pink tones would look good on me. So I'm going to try on their vegan liquid matte. This is a red in the color, I wanna say this is Boss, but I'm not sure. Oh yeah, Boss Lady. This is a liquid matte, so this is gonna dry matte. I don't have a liner, so I feel like that might be the next thing I get from them is a good liner. And we will just see. Ooh, oh Lord. All right, let's see. Ooh. All right, done. All right, y'all. I feel like I'm going to like a holiday party or something. This is a really pretty red. I don't wear a lot of color on my lips, so it's a little out of my comfort zone, but I like it. I also have a few more of their other lip products. I have one of their lipsticks in golds, which is like a pinkish goldy color. And I have another liquid matte. I'm trying to find, like I said, the right color that goes with me. This one is Know It All, and this is more like a brownie mauve, if you will. And then I also bought their product for kids. So they have a product for little girls, and it's called Lip Bar Little. Super cute lip gloss for little girls, and it's completely safe and vegan because, you know, kids. Like my daughter will just lick it off of her lips and like eat it. And it comes in 3 colors: a pink color called Princess, a goldish shimmery color called Sunshine, I think that's what it's called, Little Miss Sunshine, and the little reddish color called Baby Boss. So I'm loving this system. So let's go ahead and pack everything into the bag that it comes with so you can see that it all fits. So you can literally just throw this into your purse. You can throw this into your gym bag, a carry-on, going to the airport or whatever the case may be. So first we're gonna start with, so we got our foundation, we got our face palette, which has our blush, our face powder, highlighter, and contour. We have our lip product, we have our mascara, we have our double-sided brush, we have our eyeliner, we have our brow product. Boom, it all fits in there. And I'm gonna add my whatever you want. So I'll probably add my little concealer, I'll add my tweezers, I'll add my eyebrow brush, and it all fits with lots of room to spare. I love that it's black, so it's a little bit see-through, but you really can't tell what's inside. Y'all, look how convenient this is. This whole system, this whole face, done in a few minutes. Obviously I'm filming, so it took a little longer. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Definitely check out the Lip Bar. Just go to their website. They're on Instagram. I'm so happy I discovered them. Let me know if you've tried them before and what your favorite lip colors are, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.